everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today's video gives you the differences between the most common and important terms of biology. So watch the full video to improve your knowledge. First, differences between Androecium and Gynoecium. Androecium. Androecium refers to the male part of a flower. It is also called as stamen. Gynoecium. Gynoecium refers to the female part of a flower. It is also called as pistil or carpel. Second, differences between Angiosperms and Gymnosperms. Angiosperms. Angiosperms are the flowering plants that have seeds that are enclosed within an ovary. That is usually a fruit. Example, mango and apple. Gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are the plants that have no flowers or fruits and have unenclosed or naked seeds on the surface of scales or leaves. Example, pine and fir. Third, differences between vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates. Vertebrates are animals that possess a backbone and an internal skeleton. Example, human. Invertebrates. Invertebrates are animals that do not possess a backbone. Example, flatworm. Fourth, differences between petals and sepals. Petals. Petals are the parts of the flower which have fragrance and colors to attract birds and insects for pollination. Sepals. Sepals are the leaf-like parts of the flower that enclose the flower bud and are located at the lower part of a flower. Fifth, differences between arteries and veins. Arteries. Arteries are the blood vessels that carry pure oxygenated blood rich in nutrients to other parts of the body. Veins. Veins are the blood vessels that carry impure deoxygenated blood to the heart. Hope this video was an informative one to you. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Thank you.